Angular's change detection runs thousands of times during your app's lifetime. But what exactly is it checking? Change detection is Angular's mechanism for detecting when your component data changes and automatically updating the DOM to reflect those changes. When you modify a property bound to your template, Angular needs to know about it and update the view. This synchronization happens through change detection, which compares the current state of your data with the previous state and patches the DOM wherever differences are found. Without it, your UI would become stale and out of sync with your application state. Angular uses Zone.js to automatically trigger change detection. Zone.js patches all asynchronous operations in the browser, like click events, timers with set timeout, and XHR requests. Whenever any of these operations complete, Zone.js notifies Angular, which then runs change detection. This means you rarely need to manually tell Angular to update the view. The default strategy checks the entire component tree from the root component down to every child, ensuring nothing is missed. For performance optimization, Angular offers the OnPush change detection strategy. Instead of checking every component on every change, OnPush only checks a component when its input properties change or when an event originates from the component itself. This dramatically reduces the number of checks for components with stable inputs. For even finer control, you can manually trigger change detection using change_detectChanges to run a check immediately, or markForCheck to schedule a check on the next cycle. These manual methods are useful when working outside Angular's zone or optimizing complex scenarios. Change detection keeps your UI in sync automatically through Zone.js and tree checking with OnPush and manual methods for performance optimization. Practice with Interview Mentor to master Angular concepts like this. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.